everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger updated must-do deals list for you from March 2nd through the 8th of 2022. And today's actually the 7th of March. Of course, this is a 2-week buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale. So if you are watching this on the 8th or even the 9th, some of these deals are probably still good. If not all of these deals are still good because it goes into week 2. So I am kind of excited. We had a lot of coupons drop over the weekend. If you are not following me on Facebook already, I highly recommend it. It's probably the place where I do the most amount of social media is on my Facebook page. I do have it listed in the description box below. I also have an Instagram account and a Twitter account that I somewhat use, but Facebook is my main thing there, so definitely join that page if you can. I listed the coupons for you. I also put it in the community tabs here on YouTube so that you could click the link and it'll take you to all of the new coupons. We had over 50 brand new coupons over the weekend for printable coupons, plus of course you have your regular insert coupons that came out. So I'm going to show you a bunch of those deals, those matchups from this weekend. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's see what new things are going on at Kroger this week. All right, I'm going to start out with the mega sale items, the buy 5 or more, save $1 each. Real quick synopsis here. You have to buy 5 or more participating items to get $1 off per item at checkout. You can mix and match. You do not have to buy 5 of the same items. They just have to be participating. You can also pair them with coupons, store or manufacturer, as well as any kind of rebates that we may have. And this is where we get these really amazing deals. All right, let's start out with some Nivea body lotion here, regularly priced $6.29. It is on sale for $5.49, but part of the mega sale, so $4.49 each when you buy 5 or more participating items. Now, there's a really great coupon in Save 3/6 for $4.50 off 2. This one's going to give you the best deal. However, if you don't want 2 of them, if you only want to buy 1, we do have some options. There's a 2 off 1 in Save 3/6. But if you don't have that save insert, there's also a printable coupon. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Do me a huge favor for all the printables that I'm going to list on the next few slides. Make sure you click my links to print from. It's going to take you to the coupons.com website, but it doesn't change how you print. But because I'm an affiliate, it helps me out. It helps me to continue doing these videos for you. So it's really great because it doesn't really change how you print. It just helps me. So please click those links. I'll have them all in the description box below. Anyway, your final cost is going to be as low as $2.24. So really, really great deal. Now, for some reason, you do not have those Save, like I said, and you use the printable coupon, or you only have the 2 off 1 from Save for some reason. Maybe you used the other one somewhere else. It's only going to be $2.49, so it's only 25 cents more to use that $2 off coupon. So still a really great deal. Next, we have some Aveeno body wash deals. I wanted to kind of show you 2 different scenarios. We had 2 different sizes as part of the mega sale. The first one is the Aveeno body wash 18 ounce. It's regularly priced $7.99, but it's on sale for $7.59. And it's part of the mega sale, so $6.59 there. We have 2 off 1, either digital coupon or a printable coupon that you can use. Again, I'll have the printables linked in the description box below. But final cost is $4.59 each, or that's 26 cents per ounce. However, the better deal per ounce is going to be the Aveeno Body Wash 33 ounce. Now, these are regularly priced $9.99. Just a small sale price of 10 cents difference, $9.89 each, but mega sale for $8.89. But you can use those same $2 coupons, either the digital or printable. And your final cost is $6.89 each, but it's just 21 cents per ounce. So I kind of wanted to put that out there for you so you could see which one is the best deal for you. Do you want to pay less out of pocket, or would you rather get more for your money? So that's kind of what we're looking at here. Next deal here, which I think is a really, really good deal, is the Got2b products. So most of the Got2b I was looking through the Kroger site are regularly priced $6.29. And a lot of them are on sale for $5.99, including the glued that you see there. Mega sale for $4.99. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. So this is a really great high value Kroger coupon, and we don't have any other coupons like from the inserts or a printable coupon or anything like that. So use that 3 off 1 digital, pay out of pocket just $1.99, and then submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is just 49 cents for one of these, which is a really, really great deal. We have the L'Oreal LV shampoo and conditioner this week. It's regularly priced $3.99, but it's part of the mega sale for $2.99. We have a bunch of different coupons that you can use. There's the 4 off 2 from Save 3/6. There's the 2 off 1 printable coupon. I'll have it linked in the description box. There's also the 2 off 1 digital coupon, making your final cost for these just 99 cents each, which is really, really, really good. Super excited about this deal. Next, we have the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner that's regularly priced $3.19. Of course, that price has gone up. I know it used to be $2.99 regular price, so it has gone up here recently. It's on mega sale for $2.19. We have a couple, again, more coupons here. We have the 3 off 2 from Save 3/6. You have a 3 off 2 printable coupon, which I'll have linked in the description box below. We also have the 3 off 2 digital coupon. So regardless of what coupons you use, your final cost is going to be just $1.69 each. Now, I'm going to say for this shampoo and conditioner, I'm so used to paying less than 50 cents for this or getting it free, whether it was at CVS or Walgreens or wherever, that this seems very high to me. But again, we have some weird things going on with the economy and with inflation. This may be a decent price for now, especially if you are in need of some shampoo and conditioner and this is your product. So take this one with a grain of salt. All right, so there are a ton of hair coloring deals going on. So let me go just run them down here. The first one I'm going to show you is the Clairol Nice and Easy hair color that's regularly priced $7.29. On sale for $6.99, mega sale for $5.99. We have 5 off 2 coupons from Smart Source 3/6. There's a printable coupon, there's a digital coupon, there's also 2 off 1 coupons at Smart Source 3/6 as well as a printable coupon for that. Obviously, if you are doing this, the best deal would be the 5 off 2 because that would be $2.50 off of each product. But if you're only wanting to grab one, you may want to just use the $2 off one, just pay the extra 50 cents. But final cost, if you use the 5 off 2 coupon, is going to be $3.49 each. Next, we have the Garnier Nutrice hair color. These are regularly priced $8.49. They're no sale price, but they're part of the mega sale, $7.49. And then we have 4 off 2 coupons from Save 3/6. There's the printable coupon, and there's also a digital coupon. So you get $2 off of each hair color, making the final cost just $5.49 each. All right, one more hair color here for you. Another Garnier, but it's a different kind and it's more expensive. So I'm not sure how you say this. Is it Olea? Yeah, let me know if I'm saying it right. So this hair color is regularly priced $10.49. Again, no sale price on this one, but it is on mega sale for $9.49. We have 5 off 2 coupon in Save 3/6 as well as a 2 off 1 printable or a 2 off 1 digital. So your final cost is going to be $6.99 each if you use that 5 off 2. Obviously, if you use the 2 off coupons, it's going to be, $7.49. So depending on what you are wanting to get there. So let me know in the comments if you use any of this hair color. What is your preferred hair color? Is it better to grab the more expensive one, or is it better to just go with the Nice and Easy that's the cheapest one? Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. All right, guys, let's talk about some Kroger deals. These are non-mega sale deals that are happening, and we've got some pretty good ones I'm pretty excited about. I know I'm bringing you a new freebie. I'm really excited about this one. All right, so let's check out these Kroger deals that are happening. All right, so the first one and the first freebie is the Vino Moisturizing Bar 3.5 ounce. It's regularly priced $3.47. So there's a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon that is attaching. Please, 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 please make sure you watch this one at checkout, that it does come off. Even though it's showing that it attaches in the app, because it is more than the value of the actual product, you do have to watch that. If for some reason it doesn't come off, you have a couple of options. You can show your cashier in your app that it does attach, and they should be able to take it off. You can pay for it, go to customer service and show them, and they should be able to take it off. Then you could also have the printable coupon handy that I have here, the $3.50 off 1. And if it doesn't come off, use that printable coupon. Now, I know the last time we had this deal, the digital came off without a problem. So definitely just make sure you're watching. This is why I like to go to self-checkout and check out, because then I can be very careful and watch everything and make sure everything comes off. And then I have time to find it on my phone to show my cashier. And if I go to a regular lane, I always feel rushed because they're just scanning like crazy and I don't have time to really watch everything. So this way I can be a little bit more in control. At least that's how I look at it. So definitely check make sure it comes off. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. But it should be a complete freebie and like 3-cent moneymaker. Now, sometimes they will not give it to you completely free. As far as the overage, you'll just get it for like $3.47. They'll just mark it down as free. But either way, I'll take it. Next deal is the Tums tablets. So there's a whole bunch of different kinds that these coupons will work on, but this is probably one of the lower priced ones. Regularly priced $4.69, on sale for $4.29. We have $1 off one coupons. There's Smart Source 3.6, there's the printable coupon, and there's the digital coupon. So your final cost is $3.29 each. All right, the Pat-A-Day eye drops here. Now, there's quite a few different kinds that you can use this on. This is the cheapest product I could find at Kroger. However, if there's another type of Pat-A-Day eye drops you like, you can obviously use these coupons on those particular products. All right, so the cheapest one is regularly priced $18.99, on sale for $16.49. Plus, we have a 5 off 1 printable coupon. I'll have that linked in the description box below. Again, please use my links to print. There's also a 3 off 1 digital coupon. Obviously, the printable is better. Just make sure you don't have the 3 off 1 digital clipped if you go to use the 5 off 1 printable. Final cost is going to be $11.49. So really great deal there if you need some eye drops. All right, guys, I just want to give a great big shout out to a couple of people. I'm trying to do this on my updated deals video. First and foremost, thank you to, and I'm not sure how you say the Kampung. I hope I'm saying that right. Kampung, Kentucky. All right, so I absolutely love this person. They are awesome. They always give me great comments, and they're very, very sweet. Thank you, Shana. I love your videos, and I just thank you so much for being on all the time and always leaving sweet comments. And I don't know your real name, so I don't really know what to call you, but I love she's from Kentucky, or he's from Kentucky. Absolutely love it. I'm guessing she, but I could be completely wrong. So thank you for watching. We also have the Liberty Town Lad 27. Now, absolutely love this guy. He constantly is leaving me comments and letting me know all the details. So my ad preview video left a ton of deals, or a ton of markdowns or markups. Breyers went down 50 cents, or is going to go down 50 cents on Wednesday. So if you are buying your Breyers ice cream, wait till Wednesday. But Edie's is going up, so you want to make sure you grab your Edie's this week. And there was a couple other ones, so I really appreciate him and all the great deals he gives me. So love you to death. Thank you. Big shout out to you. And one more, Baby B 425. I've just been leaving lots of comments lately. Love to hear from you as well. And I asked in my ad preview for any kind of, gas prices, what's going on in your area. So in Louisville, gas is $3.99 as of a couple days ago. It probably has gone up since then. I know it is going up again around here. So thanks all for leaving me comments. If you want to see a shout out to you, go ahead and leave comments, and I will be trying to get around to all of my regular viewers and new ones and all those good things. So thank you all for being so loyal. Alright guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, ring the notification bell, and hit all. Share this with a friend that likes to shop at Kroger. And of course, like always, go to the description box for all of your coupon printables, your, if you need to download Ibotta or Fetch or any of those things, I've got all those links down there. Have a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.